everyone. I am Mr. Rahul. In this video, the technical values are explained about the milling machine.
Hi everyone, I am Sachin from second year mechanical B. Today I will explain about milling machine. Milling machine is a machine that performs a milling operations like flat or curved surface by feed a workpiece against a rotating multi-point.
Now we are going to learn about the types of milling machine. Basically, milling machine consists of different configurations. There are different types of milling machine. The primary includes vertical milling machine, horizontal milling machine, and universal milling machine. In vertical milling machines, the spindle is oriented in vertical, meaning the cutting tool will cut the workpiece in perpendicular direction. The vertical milling machine is a very versatile tool in machinery where we can perform the operations like face milling in flat surfaces, end milling in futures, boring in hole enlargement, and drilling it at drill pieces, etc. So, in horizontal milling machine, the spindle is oriented in horizontal direction, meaning the cutting tool will cut the workpiece in horizontal axis. The horizontal milling machine is a very robust and sturdy machine. The horizontal milling machine is used whenever there is no need for accuracy or more need for more material needs to be removed. So the third milling machine is universal milling machine. In this type of milling machine, both vertical and horizontal directions can be achieved by using this milling machine. The main capability of this machine is to cut in both vertical and horizontal direction, where you can achieve more than 5 axis cutting. So that's it. Next, Shagul will explain the parts of the milling machine.
Hi everyone, I am Savalamin from Second Year Mechanical. Now I am going to explain about some important parts in the vertical milling machine. This is the base of the milling machine. The base is a foundation. It gives the strength to all of the parts in the milling machine. And the second one is column. The column provides the supports in the for spindle and the motor. This is the motor of the milling machine. The column provides a strength to the spindle and the motor. And the second one is this is the work table. It moves along the x-axis and the as well as in z-axis. Sometimes it moves about the z-axis. Then it is a saddle. Saddle is moves along the y-axis only, which is adjusted to the forward and backward motions. This is a cross feed and this is a depth feed. This is a compound feed. This is the workpiece holder, and this is a spindle. The spindle is used. The cutting tool is fixed in the spindle, which rotates and works in the material. That's all.
Hello guys, I am Mr. Suresh Raj. Today I will talk about operations of the milling machine. Milling machine have many operations like slide milling, face milling, slide milling, face milling, end milling, side milling, T-slot milling, slot milling, and etc. But we here see some important milling operations. This milling machine is vertical milling machine. So we see about vertical milling operations. This tool is surface mill cutter. So we can perform surface milling. Surface milling is nothing but remove a material from the surface of the material to produce a flat surface. And then we have the end mill cutter. End mill cutter is used to perform many operations like slotting, profiling, and many. But we perform here slotting operation. Slotting operation is nothing but remove a material from the surface to create a slot and channel. Thank you.
Now I will explain about applications of milling machine. It's used to manufacturing of machine parts, prototyping, mold making, to aerospace and automotive components. Thank you.
Advantage of milling machine, it is high accuracy and reusability, and it accuracy of dimension is very high. Limitation, high cost, high maintenance, and skilled work labor is required. Thank you.